Hello guys, happy new day vlogmas. Quite annoyed this morning because I edited like over a 20-minute vlog last night and suddenly like clips of it turned like black. So that's really not good and I'm having to re-edit the whole thing, which is annoying because it takes forever. Also, I scheduled an appointment to get my eyelashes done at 2 o'clock in like an hour 15, and I really also want to check Zara. I'm at Zara every day in Vlogmas, like it's honestly tragic. But I really want like a black furry or feathery coat. I've been on the hunt for one for so long. I don't want it to be like the kind that's just fur on the sleeves, like I want it to be all around. I'm so excited to get my eyelashes done. It's been over a month. I usually get them done like once a month. They actually last pretty long on me, which is nice. Sometimes randomly though, they'll like go away in a week and I get really upset and I don't know why that happens. But I already showered and everything, so I should be good to go, not to get them wet. Okay, I need to pick out my outfit for the day. I'll show you what I come up with. Okay, here's the fit. Very comfy vibes today. I'm sure you've seen me wear this sweatsuit. It's just from Reformation. I wear it literally all the time. It has the matching hoodie, and then this thing underneath is like a long sleeve bodysuit from Ardennes. I like that it's a bodysuit. It's like nice tucked in. White beanie. The sneakers are new. They're from Thousand Fell. They like just sent them to me and I really like them a lot. They're like comfier than I expected. And they're just like cute basic white sneakers. I don't know guys. We need to be comfy for the eyelashes. If you don't know, I despise getting my eyelashes done. It's like my biggest hatred. I hate sitting there. It's like so uncomfortable. I get really antsy, but like I have to do it. I just have to accept it because I can't not have them. I'm addicted. So it's self-inflicted pain. My appointment's not for an hour, but I'm gonna go now and try to stop in Zara first and then go up to the eyelashes. Wait, so I put on this huge coat because I thought it was cold and I'm not cold at all. I'm like hot. So that's great because I'm walking. I'm gonna be sweating. Just as suspected, the appointment was miserable. My eyelashes look super good. They always come out good. I just like hate doing it because it's so like I get so antsy. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Banana Republic because on my way here I saw a cute coat that I wanted to buy. I also saw a really cute yellow coat that I want to try on, but the problem is I definitely can't vlog in there because there was like not enough people. It would be awkward. I think I'm out of focus. Anyways, I'll show you the jackets when I get home. I also need to get a salad because we have an event tonight at 6 o'clock and me and Bridget are going to the Brooklyn Bridge to take cool night photos beforehand. So I don't have much time to get ready before that. And then the event is for studs. Actually, I'll tell you afterwards. Okay, we're back. Can't see all of me, but it's fine. I have very minimal time to get ready. So I don't want to open these packages now, but I'll show you guys the jacket quickly. It's just like this fluffy white coat. I've been wanting something like this for a long time, so I'm glad I got her. I have Chopped also on the way, so I'm very excited to have a salad because I'm starved. I need to get ready. I'm supposed to be there at 5:15 and it's 4:02. Amazing. Okay, I'll show you my outfit once I'm ready. I'm excited. It's cute. Guys, I'm like super rushed and late, but quickly, here's the dress I'm wearing. She's from Amazon. These cute red heels, the fluffy coat, and this bag, and I need to go because we're really late, but I'll tell you when we meet up with Bridget where we're going and all the details. Actually, I'm gonna show you the jacket too because like it's so cute. I'm so excited. We're going to the Brooklyn Bridge to take photos in our outfits before the event and I feel like they're gonna be so cute. I'm excited. We're at the beginning of the bridge and I'm cracking up because I'm literally wearing like 7-inch heels and Bridget's in this. Here's my full outfit. Woo! I'm scared for us. Guys, Bridget literally just had an attack and had to hold my arm because she said she's so scared of the heights. We're literally approximately 2 feet off the ground. I'm so scared. And I'm scared for me too. I need to like hire this scooter to take me back. Oh my god, you literally did. Okay guys, mission complete. We've been wanting to do this for like months and months, so I'm glad we finally did it. And now
it was really honestly scary. Like, don't recommend coming here if you're afraid of heights.
Yeah, it was a bit scary. I've been here during the day and didn't feel as scared. I think it's just because it's nighttime. But it's also like so many people, shockingly, considering that it's night.
Can we go faster, Klea? Sorry, maybe you're on the Brooklyn Bridge and I have to touch heights.
I can't go that fast. I'm wearing huge shoes. Oh gosh. Okay, now I didn't tell you guys where we're going yet, but we're going to a party with studs, the like earrings, and deuxmoi, which I'm sure you all know is the Instagram account that gives all the celebrity tea. And I'm hoping maybe they'll reveal themselves at the party, but like probably not. We got the late night crew.
Late night crew, what time is it? Oh, it is late.
9:30.
Have you ever done
Mitch is here.
Hey.
We're missing Drew,
Ooh,
but
Christmas music.
he's here. He's the invisible
I
man.
miss you, Drew.
He's not watching this, but it's fine. We're gonna eat our burgers in peace without him. He's out to dinner with other boys. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. So today's santacon. If you don't know, if you don't live in New York, that's when everybody dresses up as the Santas and like goes bar hopping and stuff. But I'm not participating this year because I really don't feel like day drinking today, and I don't feel like, you know, it's like a big commotion. So I am gonna do errands. I need to like edit vlogs seriously because I keep saying this, but am really behind. And I have like a bunch of errands I need to do as well, so I'm gonna get those done. It's like noon now. I ordered pad thai because I'm freaking addicted. Like, there's this place right by me that I get pad thai from like multiple times a week, and I don't know, like something's gonna happen to me. I'm gonna turn into a pad thai noodle. I have like 2 packages from yesterday that I never opened. I'm gonna open them now and then I'll show you. Also, I don't think I talked about this, but the party last night was so much fun. We didn't find out who deuxmoi is. I'm really sad. I mean, I knew that we wouldn't, but like people were saying she was there, but I don't know, like I couldn't pinpoint who I thought it would be. And yeah, anyways, let me open the packages. Wait guys, oh my gosh, hiccup. This is so cute. I got this necklace from the M Jewelers. I got this on, I think it was Black Friday. It's so cute. I really like how it's like bubble letters and it says my name. And then next, this is like a booty bag. I think it's like a subscription, but they sent me a pair of underwear. And the last thing I'm super excited about, guys, like I'm sorry, but how cute. I got this dress from For Love and Lemons. I don't know if you can see it that well, me just holding it up like this, but I thought it was so cute. Like the middle goes like in a V, and then the skirt is actually has like some tulle in it, so it puffs out a little bit. I want to wear it to, I think, Christmas. I feel like it's such a cute Christmas dress, like if you look closely. And I got this on Black Friday too, so it was on sale. I saw, shut up out there. I saw that For Love and Lemons, like people are crazy. Anyways, I saw that For Love and Lemons was having like a 30% off sale, and I was like, I cannot pass this up because their stuff is expensive and they don't do sales very often. So we got her. I was wanting it like for a long time. Wait, interruption. FedEx just came and brought one more thing. I'm so excited. This is the second portion to my Farfetch stuff for this month. You guys are gonna freak out. I got the mini, ultra mini UGG. She's so cute. I'm so excited about these. They have them, I know they're out of stock a lot of places, but they have them on Farfetch. I honestly don't know what my code is yet, so don't buy them yet until I tell you my code, but I will as soon as the Farfetch girl tells me what it is. This is like such a good Farfetch haul, those and the black and white dunks, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna share it on my Instagram story as well with the code, so stay tuned for that. And now I'm just cleaning up and waiting for my pad thai to arrive. Drew just got here. He's been drinking for santacon.
What?
I didn't go out, and I wanted
trying to shame me.
I wanted to show him a haul, and he had something really funny to say, so I figured I'd film it. So I just showed him this shirt, and what did you say?
What?
What did you say about it?
It looks like a bat.
Because that's not a shirt, it looks like a bat. Next up, we have this jacket. What do you think?
You look like Bruce Wayne.
Who's Bruce Wayne?
What do you mean who's Bruce Wayne?
I don't really know anyone.
He's Batman.
Oh. Okay, what about these pink pants?
You look like iCarly.
And lastly, we've got a jacket. A puff.
That looks fun.
He likes one thing.
I want to try it out.
You want to try it? Okay. Try it on.
Gas. Look fire.
You like it?
I look gas.
Oh gosh. Okay.
I'm having trouble trying to click it.
We're gonna watch TV.
Hold on.
Oh, he wants to give you more.
I mean, I don't mean to steal the show, but I will.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna watch TV and then we have dinner at 8:15. Okay guys, we're going to dinner here. It's the dinner fit. I've worn this before. I'm outfit repeating. Drew's literally still drunk from santacon, so
Dinner fit.
but we love this top. The feathers.
Who loves it? Who's we? Because I don't.
All of us.
I'm just kidding, I love
Hold
it.
on. I'm forgetting an essential piece. My bag. She's an important addition to the fit. Okay, we're really late for dinner, so we need to go. Bye. We're at dinner. Lydia and
Has Lydia been introduced
Mike's
to the vlog yet?
second vlog appearance.
Who's that?
Look at our Christmas
Who's that
tree.
Pokemon to your right?
Guys, look at Lydia's new Balenciaga jacket.
You can tell I've never owned anything so nice.
We ordered a lot of food, so we'll show you when it comes. First thing came.
Oh yeah.
Baked brie. It's this. Baked brie with that.
Oh wait.
Looks so good. Oh, there's more Brussels. And they smell so good. Monkey bread over there. Yum. These are just the apps, guys.
And I'll be right back with your octopus, okay?
Oh,
wow.
Bruce isn't here yet.
Killing the octopus.
But these look so good.
So alive.